Lunch is ready.
Salad again?
Yeah, it's good for you.
What am I, a vegetarian?
Why don't you switch off that game and eat, alright?
Why don't you go back to the kitchen and cook some steak?
You want some meat?
With some barbecue sauce, please. I'm a growing boy. I need my protein. Ah, come on.
There you go.
I'm not eating that.
Listen here, son. I'm in charge. I decide what you eat, okay? Now turn off that game and eat your food.
You're in charge?
Yeah, I'm in charge. You got that?
I kind of thought my little friend here was in charge.
Whoa, shit.
Why don't you cook some hamburgers?
You're taking after your mother, you know. All right.
Hot dogs or meatballs?
Hey man, where's the Tabasco sauce? What's going on?
Well, just a little parenting issue here, Dave.
Is that Leon? Hey man, do you know when...
You killed Dave!
I'm not dead, man.
You stay out of this. You killed Dave! Showtime.
Oh.
Pizza?
Yeah.
So cold.
We'll clean it up later.
So very cold.